Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. Let's get into it with Beauty Forever Hair. All right, my loves, we are back with our Beauty Forever hand-tied lace body wave unit, okay? So this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. It also has lace in the back, and the lace parting space is really, really nice. I did not say Wakanda Forever, and I apologize for that because Wakanda is what? Forever. Now, we just going to go on through and get into this unit. Now, I have her in 18 inches, okay, at 150% density, and she is currently going for $145. You cannot beat that with a bat. This hair is absolutely, positively stunning. And y'all know that's my word. But I really love this unit. And I wore it out that when I curled it. And I was really, really impressed with how she held the curl. So I'm just going through with my Tresemme Hold Spray. And I'm using my barrel curler just to give her a nice, sexy, bouncy curl. And the way that I do this is I go through, I hold the curl up. Okay, and I just make sure it gets super duper hot. I take my time curling it, and I hold the curl just to make sure that it doesn't lose any of its bounce or tension, and I add a clip. I'm just going to go through and continue this process throughout the entire wig. Now, this wig, again, is a hand-tied pre-pluck part, right? So that means that the part is already put in the middle for you, and you're just working yourself around it. And I really do enjoy the ease of this unit. Although it has ear-to-ear lace, the idea that the actual parting space is already predefined makes it super helpful and super beginner-friendly. All right, so we're all done. And here's our finished product, all clipped up, okay? And I'm just going to go on through with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold and get this wig together. So I cut the lace in 3 parts just because it makes it easier to lay your lace if you have it in sections, and you can make sure that it's getting the attention that it's necessary for it to lay all day long. So I wore this unit out and had her on all night long, and she probably would have stayed even longer than that, but I made a concerted effort to take her off. So I am just going through and I'm going to get my face together. We're going to beat her all the way down, Mayweather style, Money Mayweather hands, and get this look together. So I use Fenty Beauty, and I use a Morph setting spray. So I put Milk, the primer, on, and then I put my foundation on as well. So I use 440 and 450 because I'm a little warmer. I'm a little darker than I come off, and I'm just going through and just contouring my face a bit. Now, I do this all quite sloppily, okay? So don't take any notes, but I clean it up. I go through, add stuff, and then I just clean it up, okay? So I use a Milk Under Eye Concealer just to lighten her up. I'm going to go through with my concealer twice, and then I use LA Pro Girl Concealer, which you guys know is only like $4, $3 or $4, and I just make sure that I sharpen those lines up where I'm contouring because I like to bring my face in a little bit. You know what I mean? I just like a little... I need that kind of look going on. So I'm just going to go on through and get myself all the way together. we're just going to go on through and take our pins on out. Now, you just want to make sure, I put quite a few pins in here, so just make sure you're constantly zhuzhing the hair to make sure you get every single pin out. And then we're just going to finger comb her on through to get the curls looking great. All right, guys, so I done came through very natural, pulled mother up out the pack, got her all the way together with a little flick of the wrist, and then turned around and beat my face for y'all and threw the mother up on my head. What more do y'all want from me? Listen, I really do love this unit from Beauty Forever Hair. I am obsessed with this part situation. So basically what they do is they give you that ear-to-ear lace, okay? And then they just give you a nice, long, sexy middle part. And for that, I don't think that I could be upset about that. Like, this unit got itself together so well. She did not tangle. She did not shed. She feels super secure on my head. And part of that also was to my bold hold, okay? I'm using the liquid gold, and it's amazing. And I really... y'all, I love this. Like, I love this. And I just hope you guys take your time when you're curling your hair. Curl it up. Make sure you spray it down so your curls will hold and they'll be nice and sexy and bouncy the next day. Because I came back a day later and did this unit. And I feel like, listen, this is not even as expensive as I feel like it should be, the way that the texture of this hair feels. And that's just me keeping it 100, okay? I really feel like this unit is fire. You guys really need to check out Beauty Forever Hair. She came through. I told myself, okay, in 2021, I'm not playing with y'all. We got goals, okay? We moving on up the ladder. We on our way to 15,000 subscribers, and I want y'all to come with me. So make sure y'all bust down. Subscribe to this channel. Tell me what you guys are thinking. I took my time. I beat my face. I'm never that vulnerable, okay? So, and I'm not, you know what I mean? And you guys take from that what you can. I just, figure we hang out, chit chat, do a little something, whatever together. So, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this review. Beauty Forever Hair did not come to play with us. This is fire. Like fire. Like fire. I'm obsessed with this unit. I feel like I don't really have anything else to say. And I know I say that often, but for real, I'm speechless, okay? That's how good this unit is. You guys need to check them out. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.